Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. How are you all, guys? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Today I'm going to share one recipe, Kolhapuri Misal, that too in NutriCook Smart Pot. Kolhapuri Misal, it is very famous dish in west part of Maharashtra in India. There are many variations in the Kolhapuri misal, but today I am going to share very quick and easy recipe, which you can say very quick fix, for lunch or dinner or on those busy days or lazy days. And also bachelors can make it easily. 2 months ago, I uploaded one video regarding unboxing and trial of NutriCook Smart Pot. And guys, I'm really very happy with this. It is totally hassle free and very time saving. So in those busy days, even I would say day to day life also, it is very convenient. This is not at all sponsor video, but I'm totally in love with this NutriCook, so I wanted to share with you all. So let's begin with the video, and if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload new video. So let's begin with the video. So to prepare masala, here I have taken one big size of tomato and two medium size onion and garlic 6 to 7. I'm just taking everything in a mixie jar. I will make fine paste out of it. Before that, I'm adding sesame seeds 2 tablespoons. Then goes coriander seeds 2 tablespoons. Some water. And then I'm going to make a fine paste out of it. Now I'm going to add dry coconut. This is desiccated coconut. I'm taking 4 tablespoons. Instead of dry coconut, we can take half quantity of dry coconut and wet coconut, or else we can make with full wet coconut also. This is very easy and quick recipe. Now in NutriCook Smart Pot, I have selected saute option. So preheating already started. Now I am adding oil. I am using here groundnut oil. You can use any oil. To make misal, we need more oil. So I have taken almost half cup of oil. Once oil heated, we need to add this paste, whatever the masala paste we prepared. Little bit water I am adding, and just we need to saute this masala well, because we have taken everything raw like sesame seed, coriander seed, everything. So we need to cook this masala well so that raw smell should go. It takes around 3 to 4 minutes. In between I am adding little water so that masala will cook nicely, and also it will not stick to the bottom. Now masala cooked well. Now I am going to add sprouted moth bean. I have taken one big bowl. The quantity depends on personal choice. We need to saute this so that raw smell should go. I am adding salt as per taste. Now Kolhapuri kanda masala 3 tablespoons. Depends on personal choice again. Now garam masala 1 teaspoon. Again mix well. We need to saute this again. This takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Once it is done, you will come to know with the nice aroma. Now it's done almost. I'm adding little water so the masala should not stick to the bottom because the pot is hot. Now I'm switching off saute mode because saute is done now. Masala is ready now. Now we have to add water. It should be thin consistency. So I'm adding 2 cups, like it is around 600 to 700 ml. It should be runny consistency, so we can add water more. Again I am adding little salt. I felt it is less. Now cover the lid and the vent should be on sealed. Here I am selecting rice mode because I want only 10 minutes to cook. Actually we can select beans option, but the moth beans are very tender, already sprouted, and I don't want to be mushy, so only 10-minute pressure is enough. If you are making in regular pressure cooker, you can give only 1 whistle, that's enough. Now here you can see it is cooked. I am opening this after 46 minutes. I went outside, so that's fine. So pressure is released, nothing is there, and here it is, everything is perfect. It cooked well, even the oil is separated. It is really nice. It should be like this. We call this cut. Look at the color, it is really tasty also. Aroma is really appealing. Kolhapuri misal is like that only. It should be spicy also, and the color should be very red. Let's do plating. Here I have taken mixture, or you can call it farsan. Now add this cut. First I have added moth beans, and then now I am adding that cut. Then onion, coriander. It should go with lemon. 1 teaspoon thick curd. It really gives taste nice. And pav. And yes, our Kolhapuri misal is ready. It is very quick, easy. Do try this recipe guys, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.